I started with 12 chains around the base, periodically decreased until it looked like a cone. The park crocheting, I have started his little witchy hat. Time to do a fitting. Where are you, Bubs? Hi. Is that gonna work for you? Oh, you don't like it. Okay. We're gonna hand wave instead. That's fine. But is it the right size? Oh, we do not like that today. Okay. I will not put the hat on you again today. Yes. Thank you for communicating very clearly. Are you ready for your witchy hat? Let's give this a try. How's that? I think we need to make a bigger hat band for you. Now let's try it with the cloak. No, we don't want it? Okay. Well, let's just try the... Okay, let's try the cloak. No, we're not having this today, huh? Okay. Seriously, I start recording you and you stop head bobbing?